Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this video, we will show you how to set up SwiftCoin Bot and start trading on SwiftCoin app. Now, you need to set up your SwiftCoin Bot and choose your trading strategy. The SwiftCoin Bot is a grid trading bot that will place buy and sell orders within a predefined price range. To set up your SwiftCoin Bot, click on the bot icon to enter the trading interface. Select your preferred exchange. In this case, we will demonstrate with Binance. Select a coin that you would like to trade. You can choose from a list of popular coins or search for any coin that is available on Binance. Here we use ADA as an example. ADA is the native token of the Cardano blockchain platform. Define the range for the grid trading bot to operate and place orders within the set limits and parameters. Click Submit to confirm your settings and start the bot. The order placement will trigger a pop-up with your transaction details. You can review the information and click back to proceed. You can view your orders at your portfolio page. You can see the status of your orders, the current price, the profit and loss, and the performance of your bot. You can also stop, edit, or delete your bot at any time. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy trading!